My name's Gabe, again. I'm the lead machinist here. This is the lathe. I'll be giving you guys some basic info and safety about this beautiful machine. So I guess I'll just start with all these controls right here. So we don't use all of these levers right here, but the main ones we use are this. This we use to change our gears for the lathe itself. So there's high gear, allows this to spin at very high RPMs, and then you have low gear. So if we go into low gear, you can see it's pretty hard for me to push. That's mainly used for lower RPM tasks. Right here is our e-stop button. This is mainly used to turn off the machine. We don't really rely on it for emergencies right now. That's fine. Right here is the spindle speed. So this is for RPMs. This is what we change. That's really all we use over here. Now I'll move to up here. So this is our little screen we have here. So gives us measurements for whatever we would really need. So it gives us our X, this is X, right? No, our Z and then our X. It's a little wonky, but there's that. You can zero both of these. You can set them as certain values. Very useful. On this, we always have to oil whatever we're doing in here, even if it's drilling, tapping, always oil. With this, this is our little clamp or key, you could say. So it goes in this hole right here, and you spin it to tighten the chuck right here. So just spin. Yeah, we never leave it in here, just to make sure that we know where it is, keep tracking of it. This is like a guard to make sure that nothing spins out of control and hits the operator. This always needs to be down before you turn it on. And if it's not down and you try to turn it on, it just won't go because it has a little sensor. Down here, this is like our main cutting platform thing. So there's multiple different dials here. So this big one on the bottom is for moving left to right. This one right here, back and forward. And this is more precise back and forward. Pretty simple. Right here is our cutting bit. So you can put a bunch of different things on here, but this is our most common one. It's called a cutoff bit, so it goes straight through and cuts it at a precise position. And then all the way down here, we have what's called our drill collet. We can put a drill collet in here for drilling things, like we also use it for tapping, but there's other things in there that we could use, but this is usually what we have in here 24/7. Don't really take it out. Down here, this red lever, this is what we use to initiate or turn on the machine, make it start spinning. So we take it out and pull it up to turn it on, and then we go all the way down for reverse. And then down here is our brake. So once we turn the machine off, we press down on it, stops pretty quickly, helps with being safe. So now I'm going to show what it looks like to turn on the machine. So this, remember, always has to be down. And then what we do, when you're first starting out, when you're first turning it on, whenever you're doing something, I like to turn this all the way down so that it doesn't spin up on you very fast. So now that that's all the way down, we just pull the lever up. Now that it's up, slowly turn this, and then the machine will start spinning. I'm not going to turn it very fast. That's our main direction. And then I'm going to put it back into neutral. You can use the brake. I didn't that time. And then we can go in backwards, go in opposite directions. It's spin very fast, but it can also spin very slow. And then use the lever. Use the lever, use the brake. Lift this back up when you're done. And yeah.